Today we're gonna remove this full side mirror side unit, including all. This side cover indicator and the front glass is broken. So let's get it changed. First remove this heating cover. Then there's a one bolt screw there. Remove this panel plate. There's two screws underneath. Let's remove these two screws using a flexi screwdriver. Just pull this out a side cover gently and it will come pop out nicely. Then push it up and it will come. Just to remove these three bolts, first of all disconnect the sensor of side mirror and then remove these three bolts, and the mirror will be removed very easily. Then put the sensor back on and make sure that all those three bolts are tight enough, the mirror is not loose, and yeah, the bolts are tight, the mirror is not loose. The side seals, make sure they are together, sticking together, and this inside this plastic cover, keep it on, do not remove this because this is for water resistance. And you can put this panel back on.